Bumper clouds were split. Bumper clouds were
Good morning! So it's like 6 a.m. here and I just woke up, but it's like 9 a.m. my time, so it's not that early, but the sun was kind of coming up. So I think today we're probably just gonna I don't know, we're gonna play by ear, but we got a rental car yesterday, so I think the plan is to wake up, enjoy the hotel a little bit because we don't have it tonight, and then we're gonna get some coffee and probably go on the road to Hana, which is like this place that you drive. So I'm super excited for that. Stay tuned.
Oh, that's the boy right there. I'm gonna try that. Hope I don't hate it. Let's see. Trying poi for the first time.
Yummy! What does it taste like?
Well, it tastes like coconut because it has coconut flakes on it, but it's just like a grainy, pasty, flavorless thing. A little sour.
So our first stop on the road to Hana was the Ho'okipa Beach Park, where there was these insane rock pools and there was fish in them and the water was super clear, and we got to explore, and then we saw some surfers from far away and they were just shredding the gnar. It was super fun to watch because the waves were really nice that day and it was pretty windy, as you can hear from the audio, but it was super fun. After we kept driving on the road to Hana for about 30 minutes, we saw this sign for a waterfall, so we decided to pull over, and it was beautiful. It was only $5 to get in, but I would recommend bringing some type of water shoe because it did start to get a little bit muddy.
This one, it looks pretty sketchy. Warning, experienced hikers only beyond this point. Hazardous conditions may be flash flooding even when it's sunny.
If this vlog comes out, that means I survived tsunami. Okay, so we just saw the waterfalls. And then literally right here is the bamboo forest, and it's
Spectacular.
so peaceful. After we finished hiking, we kept driving, and then we saw this little food truck, and there's tons of these kinds of things in Maui, but they were selling banana bread, which Hawaii is famous for, and it was so good. It was a banana bread sundae.
Look at that.
Hi vlog, it's Isa from the future. So I'm editing and I'm realizing I didn't put very much commentary in any of this, but basically after we went on the waterfalls and the hikes in the road to Hana, then we wanted to go camping because we found out that there was these campsites, like a national park basically, and there's a few of them on the different islands, but it's super affordable to stay. I think it was like $12 a night, which is insane, and they were open, which was amazing. But basically before we did any of that, we went to Walmart and we got like a tent for 20 bucks and then a gas stove and some groceries. And I would highly recommend camping instead of staying at like a resort. I get it if you want like a luxurious experience, but for me it was so much more memorable and adventurous, and we got to just have like a local experience. So I hope you enjoy the next clips. I am currently at a Hawaiian National Park and we're camping. It's home for the night. It's cold. Ooh. Look where we are, staying for the night. That's the ocean. Just a little scary. And if this vlog comes out, that means I survived tsunami. If not, pray for me. Good morning. It's currently 5:44 and I just woke up to see sunrise, and it's like, I think it's about to come up, but it's so pretty. It's gorgeous here. I don't want to leave. There it is. It's really cold and it's starting to rain, but the sun is coming up in like 30 seconds and I don't want to miss it. So it was so worth it. It's so pretty. And no one's out here. Literally nobody's out here. The waves are actually insane. And then over here is like literally tropical jungle. Come to Hawaii, or don't, because like, leave this place alone, but it's so pretty. The next morning after we had breakfast, we decided to go on another hike since we were so close to all these trails. And we started right there on the map, and then we went about 3 miles and we saw some more water. Oh, look at this plant. It's so pretty. It's got to the falls. I looked up and look at that. We finished the hike around midday, and then we were all kind of tired, so we decided to just take a break under some palm trees and listen to the waves and everything. And then we were feeling a little bit hungry, so we went and tried some musubi, which was delicious. And I did a little bit of school, we got some internet, and then the campground we stayed at is Kipahulu Campground, and it was $12 a night. In the town of Hana, and we just got some musubi to try. It's sushi rice with spam and seaweed.
There's nothing really special about it. It's exactly
It's
what
pretty
it sounds
good. It's like kind of, it's like sausagey tasting.
like. Awesome. Got some guys surfing out there.